Factor through Carpenter, and Dunbar going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
The 32C of Connor Ketchley. In the 211B, it is going to be, of course, it looks like Stella Sawyers in that 7th place starting position. In the 18N, it is going to be Nolan Marsh. Starting in 5th, it's going to be Logan Jarvis out of Beckley, West Virginia in the 41. Starting in 4th, going to be Raiden Booth in the 1. Out of Fayetteville, West Virginia in the 07, Aubrey Cannonberry going to be starting in 3rd. Bill Pritchett Jr. in the 19. Scheduled to start there in 2nd. And Jarvis in the 14A. That's going to make up your field. 14 mini wedges here tonight. Field gonna see the green flag. Green is gonna fly. 14 mini wedges gonna dash down the front straightaway. 2 by 2 down into the corner. They'll get separated out and work down the back straightaway now. Some of them still working down in turn number 1, making some passes, some contact. Mills in the 30 trying to make his way through the field in a hurry. He is one of the favorites in this field. We've got one slow there on the back straightaway. Got one stopped in the middle. Caution flag is out. A couple of them stopped there on the back straightaway. One around over here in turn number 3 and 4 as well. Looking to see if we got a lap actually complete and in the books from timing and scoring. So I believe 1 lap in the books. Green flag in the air, the 10. Gonna get to the outside. We'll see if that one's gonna get told to be put back. No, they're gonna keep it green. The 10, I believe, had a slight jump there. The 4. Looking at, yep, the 15 now to the front of the field. Cody Duncan leading the field. Going to have lap traffic to deal with here momentarily. Here comes Mills in the 30. Mills shot out of a cannon in that 2nd position, and he'll split them almost 4 wide there. Mills, the man on the march. He's trying to chase down Duncan for the lead and possibly the win. Now the 10 and the rest of the field getting their contact around. Goes one up to the top side. Caution is out. Cody Duncan in the 115. Braden Mills in the 10 machine. Harris, one of the favorites as well, but like I said on that last race start, jumping to the start. Green flag in the air. Duncan and Mills breaking away from the rest of the field down the back straightaway. The 10 of Harrison now back up to 3rd. But the top 2 are contact between the leaders. Mills, the leader, around, hands up in the air. Duncan not happy. Green flag back in the air. Green flag, the 10 of Harrison with the lead down into turn number 3 and 4. The 15 of Duncan not being scored. He did not comply with race control. He is not being timed. So Harrison in the 10 is your race leader down into the corner. Checkered flag on the 10 of Harrison. Got one around off in turn number 3 and 4. Guys, the call was simple. The 30 took the 15. They both were in the caution. They both go to the rear. The 15 was told multiple times via race control through the one-way race receiver to go to the back of the field and join the 30. He did not comply. He was not scored the final laps on the racetrack. Once again, the explanation, if anybody, this is coming directly from race control. I'm just explaining it to you. The 30 and the 15 made contact. Both of them go to the tail. They both were in the caution. That was the call. The 15 did not comply with going to the rear of the field, so he was not scored after that point. There was 5 attempts for him to be told to go to the tail of the field, plus officials telling him to do so as well. Did not comply. You're not scored at that point. Bud Light, Street Stocks, Bud Light, Street Stocks. Let's get ready to roll out onto the Speedway for hot laps. Sport Mods, we need you to be in staging. Sport Mods, you need to be in staging as well.